There you go.
That was weird.
Weird is good. I'm just coming down to you, so because I always look at it as a tower.
I have to lower it.
So what's going on top of spine today?
My spine feels good. It's just like I think I'm messing up my neck a little bit when I'm sleeping, so it's always sleeping.
The sleeper is attacking. Okay. Are you sleeping okay, or?
Yeah, I keep like waking up throughout the night though, so.
Okay.
Yeah.
How many times do you think in a night?
Like 5.
Get out.
Yeah, so I haven't been sleeping that good.
Okay. Yeah, we can't be having that.
No.
Get your good Z's, your beauty sleep.
Yeah.
Pain skill. Are you getting any pain in the neck?
Like when I wake up in the morning, my neck just feels like really, really stiff. So I would say it's like about like a 6 for 10 minutes, and then it goes away.
And then it starts. The more you move, the better it feels.
Yeah.
Movement actually helps. Let's go ahead. Let me have you bend your neck down as far as you can. Any stiffness on that?
Just slightly, not a ton.
Not a 10. What would you
not
put?
Not a ton.
Not a ton.
Yeah.
So if you had to put a number on that, on a scale of 10.
I would put it at a 4 right now, just because I've been up since like 6.
Wow, good for you. Okay, let's go back as far as you can now. Okay, what do you, stiffness wise, pain wise?
I would put it at like a 2.
So it actually feels worse going forward. Okay. Let me have you go face down. Let's take a look.
I sleep with my face down.
Do you really?
Yeah.
We need to get you a table like this so you can sleep in a good neutral position.
Yeah.
By the way, the cords are fantastic. These are awesome. Love cords. Love cords. Yeah, me too. That's cool. Now I'm going to check the full spine. Last time I saw you were creating some mischief right around your L2. That is a little better, but I want to reinforce that. That's only going to help unwind the spine and take pressure or tension out of the neck. Okay. That one's way up high. This table's a little softer, so it sometimes doesn't quite give us the leverage. We might have to do a different angle on it, but let's go ahead and, let's go ahead and take a deep breath in right there and let it go. Good. Yeah, didn't quite get the leverage on that one, so we're gonna get that from a different angle, okay? All right, let me reinforce this L2 here. Let me have you lie on this side, facing me over here. Right on. Okay, let's lie on the other side. We're just going to take some counter rotation out of the L5 spot here. And this one will just be more like a gentle stretch than it was, more like that big impulse on the other side. And just give me a big deep breath. And relax. Wow, okay, let's lie on your back. That was even bigger than I thought it was going to be. See, that's catching right there.
Yep.
Now you feel that.
Yeah.
And it's going way up high. You're not getting any headaches though, are you?
No,
okay,
I don't really
good.
get headaches.
Nice. Yeah, it's okay. All right. Good. Wow, okay, that was great.
Yeah, I felt that one.
That one sank deep. Let that go, just gentle counter. Nice. And that will be like WD-40 going through the neck while you sleep tonight.
Thank you.
Okay, we're just gonna do some suboccipital elongation here. So you're gonna push your head back into my hands. big smile. That kind of helps the healing process. There you go. Bring your chin down. And I'm really digging more on that right, so you could feel how it's more asymmetrical. Never noticed that one, huh?
No.
Okay, good. Okay, and just decompressing the shoulders. Take a deep breath, and we still got to get that upper back.
How is my neck compared to my dad's?
You know, it's so weird. I was just thinking about that because, yeah, his misalignment of his neck is at C3. We just adjusted C2 on you, but it was both are closer to the upper neck. It's just funny that you thought about that because I was thinking about that too. What a trip. That's weird. Okay.
That's a terrible neck.
He's on the upswing. Okay, go ahead and sit up. Stay right there. Okay. Okay. Go ahead and put your left hand here.
Left hand?
Yes. Actually, put both hands. No, put just the left hand. There
Okay.
you go. Drop this down. And get right on that first rib. Go ahead and lie down. I got you. Drop your head back. There you go.
That was weird.
Weird is good. Interlace your fingers behind your neck.
Okay.
And relax the shoulders.
I know this.
Awesome. Okay, go ahead and have a seat. Sit up nice and tall. Take a couple deep breaths. Those were solid. Very nice releases.
That shoulder pop is awesome.
Not bad, right?
Yeah.
Sweet. Okay, let's put your hand right here, though. We're just going to stabilize the shoulder. Push your elbow back against my hand. Harder. Okay, and just relax. Good. It just helps to anchor the rotator cuffs after we got so much movement in the shoulder, which is great.
Okay.
Okay, go ahead and stand up. Let's do a turn and face me. Okay, and I'm gonna have you go ahead and bring your chin down as far as you can. Nice. Pain intensity or stiffness intensity?
I would say it's pretty loose, so.
We got a loose on the 1 to 10 scale?
Pretty loose.
Okay.
1 to 10, I would say like 1.
1, okay, great. Go back as far as you can. That one, there's a huge change. Scale of 1 to 10.
I would say 0.
0,
Yeah.
okay, not bad. You
Yeah.
did very well.
Thank you.
Great job.